Ready? Good to go! They're moving. Oh, you got hit.
No, he's on medic too. Where's the medic?
You got.
Where's the medic?
Just, you're hit?
Yes.
Just go back to the base where we were just at.
No, he's on medic.
Well, he got hit. If he's hit, then he's out.
No, he got the medic.
Huh?
He's on medic.
Oh, he's our medic?
No.
Or he's the medic? This kid?
Yes.
You're the medic?
Yeah,
Did he tap you?
I just tapped him.
Alright. Lay down some cover fire, man. He's got the flag.
He got hit.
What? This is so awesome. Whoa.
Matt, where are they? Where are they?
One behind the first section, one or two behind the one behind it.
Brian, there's one to your left. Put his head out. Brian, drop the middle.
Are they? Somebody just got hit. I heard that.
Oh no, it was that tarp right there.
Oh,
Matt is?
okay.
Yeah, that's like a little, I don't know what the hell it is.
They, somebody got hit. The little kid, and he didn't call himself. And I was like, oh, you got hit. And then he got tagged back in by the medic.
I got them all in front of me, 6 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Watch out, one moves to the far right. You got the flag, you got the flag. Go the car, let's go.
Hey, are they supposed to bring the flag back to your base? Alright. Me, dumbass. Dude, you guys gotta bring it back to their base where that building was.
Yeah.
It's all right here.
Yeah, this stick is not full over there. Oh, wait, I found it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get a jam?
Soviet, no, this is a little decoration.
Damn, dude.
Fire! Hey! Suppress fire!
You got one coming up on your right, dude.
Yeah, what the hell are you guys doing? You trying to cover fire, dude.
Damn, dude. Nuts, dude. You guys gotta get that flag over to their base.
Is he still right there?
I guess
The kid with the,
the flag.
Alright, he's hit. You've got a wine, buddy. He's hit.
Did you tell him to call himself out because I just shot the shit? Hold on. Look at the clear ass shot I got at him right now.
Oh, shit, I'm getting hit.
Look at that. Fucking retarded. About time. You're out when you get shot once, not 50 times.
Just take headshots.
I just did. I shot him in the head.
Dan's freaking dry fighting. You guys are all out?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta stay there until the medic comes to get you. Huh?
Oh, you got hit in the cheek.
You gotta stay here until the medic comes to get you.
Nice camping.
Wait, don't you guys don't have a medic?
I got the medic out, I think.
Huh? Oh. No, he's out. He's got to stay there until our medic goes to get him.
I know. We're going to have to start the medic over there.
Well, the three guys, though, they're standing right there. They're all out. There's only two of them left.
I know. I think one now.
Yeah, there's only one guy left. Dude, make sure you keep winding the shit out of those clips, dude, because you were dry firing before.
I know.
They only got one guy in. And the flag is right there, and he's out. He got hit, the guy that had the flag on our team. He's out. So you got to get the medic over there to get him. Cover him, dude. Go, dude, run. Hurry up. You gotta tag him back in. Cover him. Go ahead, Dan.
Ready?
Go. Go, dude. Run, run, run. Yep. It's alright. Dude, get down.
That's right. Hey, run. Start shooting with it. Start shooting where he is.
On fire.